In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a product image for designbundles.net. So once you make an account and log in, you're going to notice this section for the product images right here. And you're going to notice that it is a specific size. So it's going to be 750 by 500 pixels. And so what you're going to do is just memorize this pixel right here. And then we're going to go to canva.com. So now we're at canva.com. And this is the website you're going to use to make your graphics and your thumbnails. And I'm going to go to custom size. And I'm going to go to 750, 500 pixels right here. And after that, you're going to press create new design. Alright, so we're at our blank sheet of paper right here for canva.com. What I want to do now is I want to make a nice background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to creativefabrica.com to find a nice background image. So I'm at creativefabrica.com, and this is the website you can use to get some graphics and some images. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the search bar, and then I'm just going to type in wooden background because that's the background I'm looking for. Okay, so I have typed in wooden background, and I see a lot of different types of wood backgrounds I can use. So I'm just going to look through them and see which one I want to use. So I found this wooden background right here, rustic wooden backgrounds and textures 3. I'm going to download this and just put it into my canva.com account. So I just input my image into canva.com, and now this is the background that I'm going to use, and I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger by grabbing these corners right here. I'm going to center this to make sure everything's good, there's no white spaces, and I think this looks great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my product image. For this example, I'm going to use a printable, so I'm just going to drag it in here and then just make the image appear. So this is the printable that I'm going to use. It's just a to-do list, and now I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. So as you can see, I made it a little bigger. I didn't take up the whole space like this. I just made it so where there's a little bit on the top right here for the space. And this looks pretty good. And now what I'm going to do, I want to actually turn it. And you can turn it to the right or to the left. For my example, I'm going to turn it to the left because I think it does look better. Just slant it a little bit. Okay, that looks good to me. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a drop shadow to make it pop out better. So I'm going to click on this, go to effects. And on effects, if you scroll down, there's going to be like a drop option. And it automatically makes a drop shadow. And as you notice, it just pops out just a tiny bit more. So this looks pretty good to me. And now I'm just going to leave it as it is. So after that, you want to press on download. And I believe Design Bundles accepts PNG and JPEG. I'm going to do PNG. This is what it looks like when I just open the file. So now we're back at designbundles.net. Now we're just going to drag in our file. And that's how you upload a product image to Design Bundles.